Take a look at this problem. We've got -1, 8, and 8x minus 3y is equal to 2. Instructions say find an equation line that contains a given point and is perpendicular to the given line. So our first step is to find m. The first substep within that is to write the given line in slope-intercept form. So we want to solve for y. Well, probably the easiest way is take the -3y over to the right side and the 2 over the left side. When you take anything across your equals, your sign changes, so the +2 becomes a -2. The -3y becomes a +3y. Now we're going to divide everything by the number in front of the y, because again we're trying to get y by itself. So we got 8 divided by 3x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 3y, or 8/3 x minus 2/3 is equal to y. Now our second substep is to identify our slope. If you got it in slope-intercept form, you got y by itself, then number in front of your x is your slope. So slope is 8/3. Now our third substep, we're going to start the slope from 1b, which is 8/3. We're going to write it in fraction form. Well, it's already a fraction, so we're fine there. Then we're going to flip it. So the 8/3 becomes 3/8. That's the reciprocal part. And then we'll change its sign. So it goes from +3/8 to a -3/8. So the m we're trying to find is going to be -3/8. Step 2. Into the formula, y is equal to mx plus b. We want to plug in the m we just found, which is -3/8. And we want to plug in the given point for x and y. They gave us this point, so this is x and this is y. So I'll put an 8 in for the y and -1 in for the x. And then solve for b. Well, negative times the negative is positive. 3/8 times 1 is 3/8 plus b. And take the 3/8 over the left side. It becomes a -3/8. Now notice how I did that. I put the minus more up on top. If you're doing mixed number rule by hand, that's important you do that. You can't go down with the 8 in the denominator. Mixed number rule says you take the numbers out in front, the 8, you multiply it times the denominator. So 8 times 8 is 64, and then you add the number up on top. 64 and -3 gives us 61. So we get b is equal to 61 over 8. Now our third step is to write our answer down. We plug in the m from 1c, which is -3/8. And we'll plug in the b from step 2, which is 61/8. And that's our answer.